Welcome to the Mizzou Grape and Wine Institute YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to measure titratable acidity using a pH meter. The material we used, a burette and a burette stand, standardized sodium hydroxide solution, 0.1 molar, distilled water, wine sample, a 10 milliliters volumetric pipette, calibrated pH meter, a beaker, a stirring plate with a stir bar. Begin by filling the burette with the standardized sodium hydroxide solution. Add approximately 200 milliliters of distilled water to cover the bottom of the beaker. Using a 10 milliliters volumetric pipette, measure 10 milliliters of the wine and add it to the sample beaker. To ensure proper mixing during the titration, we use a stir plate with a stir bar. However, you can also do the mixing manually as demonstrated in the previous tutorial video. Immerse the pH meter's electric and temperature probes into the sample beaker, making sure they are positioned at least 1 centimeter from the bottom to prevent interference with the stir bar. Turn on the stirring and initiate the titration by gently opening the burette stopcock, allowing the sodium hydroxide solution to drop into your sample beaker. Continue the titration until the pH reading reaches the endpoint, which is 8.2. Take your time with the titration process, as rapidly adding the titrant can result in overshooting the endpoint. Make a note of the final volume of sodium hydroxide in the burette. The final volume is 9 milliliters. Titratable acidity is calculated using the following formula. Titratable acidity in grams per liter equals the final volume of sodium hydroxide used minus the initial volume of sodium hydroxide, all multiplied by 0.75. In this demo, titratable acidity is 6.75 grams per liter. A few important notes. Carry out the titration process slowly. Ensure your wine samples have been properly degassed before taking the test sample. Keep the labware clean and rinse it with distilled water. Avoid using expired reagents, as this can lead to inaccurate titration results. Thank you for watching. GWI Service Lab presents this video tutorial for how to measure titratable acidity.